Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a video collage using Capcut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my Capcut PC application, and as you can see I have imported some videos to this project. And first of all, I'm going to add one of the video to the track or the timeline, and then I'm going to make it smaller like this, and we can arrange the video collage here. And I'm going to add my second video as an overlay. Okay, and then make it smaller and arrange the position like this. Okay, you can keep arranging until you're satisfied with how it looks, and you can add more videos like this. Don't forget to make the video as an overlay. Okay, I'm just going to make it smaller again, place it here, and I'm going to add one more video. Oops, sorry, we need to make it as an overlay. Alright, and I'm gonna make it smaller. Okay, I'm gonna place it here. Alright, and you'll be able to change the background if you want, guys, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a video collage using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.